this cycle. Wake up, work, scroll, sleep, repeat. He wasn't lazy, he wasn't unmotivated, he just couldn't see the next step. Because every time he tried something new, it felt like it led right back to the same place. More effort, more stress, less time. And still not enough money. He wanted something that didn't rely on him being on all the time. Something that could keep working even when he wasn't. Something that could give him a bit of breathing room. What he wanted was simple: freedom. A way to earn without burning out. A system that worked even when he didn't. He found it the day he tried Influenx AI. Hey, my name is Sei, and on behalf of my team, I'm happy to introduce to you Influenx AI, the world's first AI app that lets you turn a blank screen into a full-time, hyper-realistic AI influencer that posts, talks, and sells for you 24/7 across all major platforms in any language without showing your face. In just 60 seconds, you can build a fully branded AI influencer empire from scratch. Influenx AI is not a course, it's not a job, and it's definitely not another app that collects dust after 2 days. It's the first AI tool that lets anyone, no matter their background, create, train, and launch a fully automated AI influencer that works for you 24/7 and get you views like this, and clicks like this, and gets us sales like this. With just a few clicks, Influenx AI lets you create a lifelike digital influencer, one that speaks, reacts, and engages like a real human. Post content automatically across Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and more. No writing, no filming. Talk to your audience in multiple languages naturally, fluently, and with emotion. Sell your product, service, or offer, or do it for others and get paid. It doesn't need breaks. It doesn't get tired, and it never asks for time off. You can use it to grow your own business or rent it out to other people and let it work for them while you keep the income. Influenx AI gives you everything: pre-built AI influencer templates, voice cloning, drag and drop design, real-time engagement, one-click multi-platform posting, social media automation, a built-in knowledge trainer so your AI can learn anything you want it to say, and more. It's like hiring a content team, a sales rep, a social media manager, and a spokesperson. But it's all automated inside one dashboard. And here's where it gets even better. When you get Influenx AI today, you also unlock a commercial license for free. That means you can use your AI influencers to sell your own products, or create AI influencers for other people and charge them for it. Or simply rent your AI out and get paid monthly without doing any of the work. You just create once and let others pay to use it. It's the easiest way to start earning real income without creating anything from scratch or showing up yourself. And yes, people are already doing this. Eddie did it. He started with nothing. Now businesses are paying him to use the AI influencers he created in minutes. Influenx AI helps him post content, answer customer questions, even help close sales, all without being involved. It's not just smart, it's scalable, and it's passive. The truth is, most people keep doing what they've always done, but hope isn't a plan. Influenx AI gives you more than just a tool. It gives you leverage, it gives you time back, and it gives you a real shot at building something that works without burning you out. No camera, no editing, no content, no stress, no monthly API cost. Just a system that runs in the background while you live your life. Click the button below, get access to Influenx AI, launch your first AI influencer in under a few minutes, and start building the kind of freedom that doesn't fade after a few clicks. There is zero risk for you. You get to try Influenx AI for 30 days, and if you don't think it's worth its weight in gold, just send us a message and we'll process your refund. So get access to Influenx AI now, because the longer you wait, the more life stays the same. I'll see you inside.